All right, we're removing the exhaust valve from the O-320 A to the engine, which is inserted our valve removal tool. Okay, so just get in there and pick off the cap. So the rotator cuff needs to come off on the exhaust. So Isaac will be holding it down. All right. All right, the rotator cuff. Okay.
Remove these hands.
And then you're gonna hit the top of the hammer right here. So if you, just whack it. Now undo the keepers. Okay, go up again. Now just push it down ever so slightly. Then hit it again. The keepers should get, push it down all the way. And then you just pick away at the keepers. You'll see that they're loose. Okay, and that's about it. It's pretty simple.